Discover the Nike Mine 002 Light Violet, a futuristic sneaker engineered to elevate both comfort and sensory experience. Built from years of Nike Mine science research, this model features 22 responsive nodes underfoot designed to stimulate the brain and enhance natural movement. Its molded upper with micropores delivers a smooth, sculpted look, while the soft purple gradient adds a calming, premium visual appeal. A metallic gray swoosh and bold hyper-crimson sole nodes create eye-catching contrast without sacrificing balance. The flexible structure moves seamlessly with each step, supported by extra rubber in the heel and forefoot for stability and durability. With its wave-like texture, plush foam cushioning, and unique sensory resonance, the Nike Mine 002 goes beyond typical sneakers, offering a mindful, everyday walking experience. Perfect for viewers seeking innovation, style, and next-generation comfort fused into one standout design.